Hello boys, so back to square one again, no signal and I have to go out to just have a signal. Luckily there's a signal here, the signal from the bottom, from the first floor, reaches here up to the third floor. So yeah, as you can see we have no signal, but when I open this room 6. This room 6, by the way, is on the so far from here, like I can see it. Yeah, there's a signal here, so we are forced to cluster here in the night. Okay, let's do this. Start. Remove the comments. Okay, I'm having my laptop here. It's really dark. You can see the keyboard, but yeah. Here, yeah, let's create 3 rectangles. Rect 1, 2, and 3. This is rect 1. This would represent the vertical rectangle. So reduce the width to 20 pixels. That's right, 50 pixel, and the height is 300. Then position it. Submit. Positions absolute. I accidentally pressed the control enter, so it's submitted. Margin auto. Inset 0. Then push this to the left side. On the second parameter, it's negative 50 pixel. I mean positive 150, 250, 200. So two. This is 180, I guess. 180. Right, close enough. Let's just increase the width by 10 pixel. Okay, it fits to the original. Now, copy this for the rect 2. This slant rectangle that is facing on the top. Okay, name this rect 2. Uncheck this first. Wait. We can just rotate this, transform, rotate 45 degrees. Okay. 55, 65, 60. Close enough. Yeah. I think this is the closest one. We can just move this to the bottom slightly. Wait. Move this to the top and to the right side. So the size is fine already. You can just put negative value here, 100 pixel, 150. Make sure to get that offset. 180 as well. Then to the right. Negative. I can't see. Okay, negative. That's the negative. 200. Let's try. No, 190. Wait. Where is the original? We can try 170. 160. That's 160. 150. Yeah, 150 hits the spot. Now the rect 3 would be easy. Just copy the rect 2, paste it down here, name this rect 3, and we can, from here, we need to we can just invert the rotation, the values, I mean the integer. That's positive 60, so make it negative 60. Then push this to the bottom. That's just how we do it. The first parameter holds the vertical offset, so here, positive. Yep, I guess that's fine. It's just that it is short. And to fix this, we can just enlarge the height from 300 to 320 or 340. Yeah, 330 because we can enlarge this rectangle as well. Yeah, and now there's no hole in this. So let's color this up. This is vertical, this top or rectangle, and the bottom. You can see the overlay because they have the same color, so it's fine. Now we need to put the background, body selector, background property, and this color, blue. Now we have to control enter and prepare our screenshot. Yeah, that makes it 100%. Wait, it's not screening shot. Okay, screening shot. What? It's really dark in here. Let's go inside. Oh, by the way, get out of here.